Constitution shall not be passed by the National Assembly unless it is supported on the second and third readings by the votes of not less than 3/4 of all the members of the National Assembly. Unquote. In other words, no less than 75% of all members of the Assembly are required to vote in favor. In numerical terms, 75% of all the 58 members of the Assembly means that no less than 44 favorable votes are required for the bill to proceed to the next stage of the legislative process. Therefore, pursuant to the division votes conducted and verified by the table office, the votes cast on the motion are recorded as follows. Total number of votes cast, 56. Those in favor, 35. Those not in favor, 21. Abstentions 0. Honorable members, having carefully examined the result of the division and acting in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution and the standing orders, I am compelled to rule that the Constitution of the Republic of the Gambia Promulgation Bill 2024 has not met the constitutional threshold required for passage at this stage, that is the second stage. The bill is therefore negative at this stage and shall not proceed further. This ruling is final and is issued with due respect to the procedures governing this constitutional process. While the outcome may be met with disappointment in some quarters, it reflects the principle that constitutional reform in a democratic society must be anchored in broad consensus. Honorable members, the tabling and debate of this bill has reignited crucial national discourse on the future of constitutional governance in the Gambia. The deliberations within this chamber have been rigorous and reflective of the diverse political, social, and legal perspectives that shape our national fabric. As presiding officer, I commend all members for their participation and the dignity with which proceedings were conducted. I also thank the Honorable Attorney General and Minister of Justice for ably tabling the motion. The failure of this bill at this stage does not signify the end of constitutional reform. Rather, it marks a critical moment for reflection, consultation, and renewed engagement with all sectors of Gambian society, including political actors, civil society, traditional authorities, and the citizenry. I encourage all parties to remain committed to a constructive and inclusive approach to constitutional development,